Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, trucks, dump trucks, buses, racing cars, monster trucks, airplanes, etc. So now I start checking everybody. The first one is a broken cement mixer. Everybody. This is a broken cement mixer truck. Okay. Airplane. This one is a cute airplane. White color. Okay. A cute airplane. Another cement mixer truck. This is a mini cement mixer truck. This one is a cute cement mixer truck. About this one, a cute leather truck. This one is really cute. Tanker truck. This is a tanker truck. Okay, a tanker truck. Helicopter. This is a cute helicopter. Everybody, this is a cute helicopter. How about this one? Express bus. This one is an express bus. Supercar. Green supercar. How about this one? This one is a cute racing car. This is a cute racing car. Red color. How about this one? Yellow express bus. Another one, road roller. This one is a road roller. Mini road roller. A dump truck. This is a dump truck. Mini cement mixer truck. Everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.